Friday, December the 11th, the weekend is practically upon us. We do see some chilly conditions in the forecast, not just for a couple of days, but for the next week, more or less. Looks like a very December-like stretch here. Wow, what a surprise here in the middle of December. We will see a few gusts of 10 or 15 miles per hour today. The wind could reach 20 miles per hour at times on Saturday, and then a couple more 10 or 15 mile per hour gusts Sunday into Monday. So, not like a wind tunnel around these parts this weekend, but it will be chilly, to be sure. Dark and early out there on this Friday morning. The sun officially up at 6:41, and sundown is at 4:26 this afternoon. Right now, it's 40 degrees at McCarran. Nellis is the cold spot at 35. It's 45 in West Henderson. It's a bit of a breeze coming off the mountains on the south side of the valley. That's why the Southern Highlands and West Henderson, as well as Boulder City, are all starting off in the low and the mid 40s. Chilly morning, grab the winter coat, bundle up. We're going to be in the 40s through at least the 9 o'clock hour. By 10 a.m. it's 50 degrees, and we'll eventually climb into the mid 50s this afternoon. 58 possibility up in North Las Vegas, 56 in Boulder City, and 55 in Centennial Hills. Second night of Hanukkah, sunset, as I mentioned, at 4:26. We will be a lot chillier than it was at that time yesterday. For the first night of Hanukkah, we're talking about temperatures as we slide into the evening in the 50s. Interesting to look at the weather pattern. We've got one weather system. You can see it sort of passing through Salt Lake City tomorrow, and then another weather system coming on that same track early next week on Monday. And while that's not going to deliver any real rain chances here to Las Vegas, it will deliver at least a couple of snow showers up in northern parts of Nevada. Now, the clouds will be thick enough around lunchtime that there might be a stray sprinkle that shows up on the radar, but our air is super dry here in the low levels, so looks like another dry day. Dry weekend, but a chilly weekend. 58 Saturday and 52 for the high on Sunday. That's chilly stuff regardless of the month of year. Temperatures at night will be getting colder as well. We'll drop to the upper 30s in Las Vegas. That could mean low 30s over on the east side and the south sides of the valley, so pretty chilly for us early risers. Marissa, looks like the 50s will hang tough through the middle of next week, but we'll climb back to the 60-degree mark by the end of next week.